So this is tool number 12 and it is OPUS Clips. So this is the OPUS Clips website, and over here you can see this is the number one AI clipping tool. So what this tool actually does is one long video and 10 viral clips create 10x faster. So what you need to do over here based on this tool, you just need to upload your video link, a long form video link, whether it's 1 hour, 2 hour, a long podcast or any video, and it will create 10 viral short form clips that you can use for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reel and TikTok Reel. It will even add subtitles. It will completely edit your video and you don't have to do much more editing. You don't have to send your long form video to your editors to short it out, to cut it out into short clips, because this tool does all the heavy lifting for you. So if you will come down over here, used by 12 million plus creators, you can see top names of the creators, those who literally use these tools, and this tool is really helping them convert the long form videos into a short form reel. So if you will come down right here, you will see over here, you clip anything, you can reframe anything. Your video creation process now at autopilot. So let's first go to the pricing, plans and pricing, so that you could even understand what's the pricing for this. So for the starter plan, it's $15 a month. For a pro plan, it's $8.7 a month, and business is different. So when it comes to the free plan, if you are someone new to this tool, when it comes to free plan, you get 60 credits per month, you get up to 1080 rendered clips, you get auto frames, AI captions with emoji and keyboard highlighter, but it has watermark. It will not do more editing like adding different video clips and more. And after 3 days, the clip will no longer be exported. So this is few things that you will get when you are using a free version of it. If you're using a paid version like the starter one, you get 150 credits per month. You get AI clipping with viral store. You will even get AI animated captions plus in 20 plus languages. You get auto post to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, IG Reels or download. You get powerful editor, one brand templates. You get filter and silence remover, and you will even get to remove the watermark. And there's more stuff when it comes to the pro plan. You get multiple aspect ratio, you get social media scheduler, you get custom fonts, speech enhancement, you get AI B-rolls and more. So let's get started with the free plan first, and then I'll show you how this thing actually works. So what I will do right now is I will sign up with my account, and then I'll show you the magic of this tool. So after signing in with this tool, this is how this tool actually looks like. So this is the OPUS clip. I just need to upload a link or my video, and in just one clip, it will start creating 10 short form reels or 10 short form videos. So I will head on to YouTube and I will download one video clip, or I will just copy a video clip of some other creator's video to just show you how this tool actually works. So I will come back, I will paste the link, and it started working. Now it will create me 10 short clips of this video, and let's see what it does. So it is AI clip, sample this one. So which caption do I want you to use? I want to use this one, or I want to use this one. Save the above and default. So this is done. So they are creating my thing. Save the setting above as a default. That clip in what clip. So I will do this. Project submitted successfully. So the project is done, and now they will just do my word. It will take a bit of a time, and I will show you how this one actually works. So let's step back, give some few answers. What is the social media reach and followers? So let's give this answer first, and we will come back. Now it's done. Let's cross it. So it's working right over here. You then see it's 24% done. Now it will take 10 minutes or so, and my clip would be created. So it's just 24% done. It needs to be 100%. So I need to wait for 10 more minutes, and it will create 10 short form reels, 10 short form clips for me. It will add subtitles and emoji. And if you are in the paid plan, that means the starter or the pro plan, you will get videos included in this video or more of that I edit and stuff. But for now, this one is enough. So at the end of this video, I will show you the complete thing, how they have clipped down all of this or cut down all the long form video into a short 10 basic reels that I can easily upload anywhere that I want. I am simply using someone else's video for now, but you only use your own video and do your stuff. So this is how most of the creators do their job. When it comes to creating short form reels, they just cut down or clip down all these things, all these videos. They don't do it manually. They just simply post their link over here or upload their video, and this tool handles all the heavy stuffs. So over here you can see I have 15 more credits or tokens left, which will expire in 6 days. So let's wait for a few moments, and this tool is going to take some time to cut this thing down. So at the end, I will show you the complete clip, each and every clip, all the 10 clips, and you will even understand more how that thing works like crazy. It's 51% done. Let's wait for a few more minutes and see how this tool is working right now. So over here you can see all my clips is been created. It's now done. So what I will do right now is I will just play any one of this and see how this thing actually looks like. So let's play this one. Let's zoom in and play off. So this, you then see a bit of buffering. It's happening in this tool. Let's wait. So this is how this tool has done its magic. All the automated subtitles and everything is been generated. The long form video has been clipped out into a short form video, and this looks so real. The scene, the what's there in the scene, and one which you then see the edit. This is such a perfect edit. It has cut down to the long form 10 minutes of long video. It was shot 1 minute of reel, and even I can publish it here directly from this platform. If I want to edit this, I can edit it from here. If I want to add videos, I can do that. If I want to change the social media, for example, if I want to create for LinkedIn, I can simply do that from here, but you have to be a pro user. But this tool works like magic. It just clipped out all the long form video stuff into a 1 minute of reel within 3 to 4 minutes, and the job is done. So you don't have to sit or wait for a very long time for your editor to clip all your videos individually. This tool just works like magic, as you can see over here on the screen. So what I want you to do right now is, after watching this video, just go sign up with this tool and put your video link, generate 10 short form reels, or put other people's video link just to play around with this, that how this tool actually works, and you will really enjoy the magic of the tool that it shows. So this was all from this lecture. I will see you in the next lecture, but don't forget to get into this tool. Go sign up with OPUS Clip and you will be amazed with how this tool actually works. So this was all. I will see you in the next one.